Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna talk about kitchen design trends for 2024. But before we start the video, let me welcome the new friends who decided to join our channel. Welcome, my name is Asma Diab, I'm an interior architect, and this channel is all about interior design and home decor. Will help you if you are remodeling or designing your home or space. So if you are interested, don't forget to like and share and subscribe to my channel and hit the little bell next to the subscribe button to be notified every time I upload new video. So let's get started. Well, since the kitchen is the heart of your home because it's where your day starts and also first stop after coming home from work or school, we spend a lot of time in the kitchen, so it's no wonder that they have such a big impact on our moods and life. So if you are thinking to remodel your kitchen or redesign it, this video is for you. There are many trends in 2024. Many of them are appealing in terms of improving functionality and the quality of life, and some of them you might don't like. So it depends on your personality, your lifestyle. You don't have to take all the new trends. You don't have to stick for the old one. You can mix and match and get the final personal signature on your home design. At the end, any design should fulfill the main target for your kitchen, to have a place that's functional for cooking, eating, and gathering. The first trend will be moody and rich colors. So white kitchens have been very popular for years now, but in 2024, this aesthetic will officially look dated. So all the white kitchens had their moment to shine, and now it's time for rich, dark hue to add to your kitchen. So green colors is still with us for kitchen cabinets, also midnight blues. These two colors you can combine in your kitchen for dramatic look. We also have burgundy tones in your kitchen, and this color is very trendy this year. You use it in all your house, in the fabric, furniture, many different ways you can use it. So green colors is still with us since last year, and also the midnight blues you can combine to these colors for your kitchen cabinets. Also the burgundy tones is very trendy now in your kitchen or even in your house for furniture or fabric materials. And remember, exciting pops of color add a sense of vibrancy and life to your space or your kitchen. So in 2024, contrasting colors combined with neutral tones will likely be an emerging trend in 2024 kitchen design. The next trend we have today is using warm tones for wood. Well, this trend we've been used in 2023, so using warm earth tones for colors and using warm tones for wood. Stay away for the light wood colors. If you have your kitchen cabinets wood, not painted one, so go more for warm tones for the wood. Or if you have opening shelves and you want to show off your utilities and your stuff, use the warm wood tones for your shelves. So by using natural wood carpentry or reclaimed wood in your open shelving, cutting board, stone countertops, all these natural looks and textures in your kitchen will add more life and warmth feeling in your kitchen. And this will bring us to the next trend we have, which is stone backsplash. The seamless stone backsplash, showing off the bold patterns and colors for your backsplash, especially if you have like floating shelves or open space up to the ceiling. It will show off your backsplash, especially if you use a very busy vein marble, the black or blue marble, which is very trendy this year. It will add a very bold aesthetic look to your kitchen. So stone backsplash used to be seen in more modern, minimalistic kitchens, and we will see more homeowners opting to extend their stone countertops to the wall to create a seamless, streamlined look to your kitchen. So we don't see anymore the subway tiles for your backsplash which most of us like it, but it's not trendy anymore this year. But also speaking of tiles, it's still trendy if you use natural stone tiles as your backsplash. The next trend is no more range stove for your kitchen. It's a separate cooktop and oven. So big statement ranges have been a popular look for many years now. Now kitchen design have been trending toward a more integrated look for years now, with appliances like the refrigerator, dishwasher blending seamlessly with the cabinetry for a sleek, nice, clean look. And this will apply also on the cooktop. So using a cooktop integrated with your countertop, it gives the same look for the seamless clean look to your kitchen, and separate your oven into like another place like a wall oven, and instead of it you use like drawers unit underneath the cooktop, or like full height cabinets to give this clean seamless look. The next trend we have, which is a really new one, is designated beverage area. So creating or dedicating a bar space may be just the thing to best utilize your square footage for entertaining. So this one, it doesn't have to be inside the kitchen. It could be like a space really adjacent to your kitchen. So you expanding your kitchen space, like you do an illusion for your space to expanding and enlarging it. And this area could be a dry or wet bar with sink or no sink, and you can have under counter fridge in this space to have all your drinks you have. And speaking of a designated area in your kitchen, we have another trend, which is designated a seating area in your kitchen for eating. And this one could be like around your island table, or actually, to be specific, they designated the area for like a breakfast banquet, or a nook in your kitchen under your window, or like eating nook for your kitchen is one of a new trend in 2024. This will fulfill the target of having your family gathering, chit-chatting while you're eating. So you feel this is a designated special area for you to eat and talk with your family. The next trend we have is layering lighting and mixed fixtures. So this trend is, I think, in every year we see, but in different ways. This year in 2024, we focus more on dramatic lighting and layering lighting. We are going towards more to the under cabinet lighting, two cake lightings, cove lighting, under shelf lighting. This kind of layering lighting, it enriching the look. You elevate your final design look for your kitchen. The next one we have today, fluid textures for your kitchen. So fluting and texture have been rapidly grow in popular designs now, and these elements are going to have a big moment in 2024, I believe so. So fluted material offer a timeless design while bringing depth and dimensions into your space by adding these textures. It could be like a wood panel fluted at your island, or at your custom hood for your range. Also, you can add fluted tiles for your backsplash. So install fluted tiles, one of the first of its kind in the industry, and I think it's an excellent way to incorporate texture rough surface to your kitchen design, to have this contrast texture and feeling to elevate your design look. The last trend we have today is mixed metals. So don't be afraid to mix metals in your kitchen. You need to aware like how to mix this, like not in a random way. So you can incorporate a variety of metallic finishes in your hardware and fixtures. For example, you can combine brass knobs and pulls with stainless steel appliances, or you can use a copper faucet pair with brushed nickel lighting fixtures. So by this way you can mix and match between your different finishing and sometimes different colors. So this will make a kind of contrast, will spark your final look, and will add like a signature for your design on your kitchen. Okay guys, we came to the end of this video today. If you feel it's like useful and helpful for you, don't forget to share it with your friend and give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and hit the little bell next to the subscribe button to be notified every time I upload new video. And see you next video. Bye bye.